Alright, we are live for break number 337. Welcome to the break room. This is 2014 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. Let me post the link. Give everybody a few moments. Well, if you're watching, you like Triple Threads, we got a 2015 Topps Triple Threads football break that is struggling. I'm kind of confused. Maybe football lovers don't like Triple Threads as much. Maybe it's a bad box because the National Treasures Collegiate, it's filling really quick. What's going on, Ryan? How are you? So your teams are here on the left. See if we can make this any bigger. Maybe if I do this. And bring that over. Bring it over the title. Bold. Alright, there's your teams. The last minute trade. Twins. Did I get it? Twins for Phillies. That was the only one I had. If there were more, just let me know. No, Ken, no worries. I saw it when it happened. Tony's a voyeur, huh? Well, I call this the voyeur cam. My wife laughed at me that I called it that, but it seemed like a fitting name. So there you go. Overhead. Let's get to ripping. Good luck, everyone. 2014 Topps Triple Threads. Having kind of a break marathon today. I had nothing else to do. So we got breaks planned on the hour, every hour. We got a schedule posted in both rooms. So keep your eyes out. That's somehow creepy, huh? Well, you get to see everything going on. And you see sorting and boxing. You get to see all my helmets up there. I get to show them off. I've had those for years. I've been working on that collection since I was young. I mean, this Chiefs helmet here, this faded one right there, is that's got to be like 25 years old, maybe 20. Anyway, let's get to ripping 2014 Triple Threads Baseball. Just keep my hat on, huh? Last part won't rip. Let's get to pulling them out. First card for the Dodgers is Adrian Gonzalez, number 237 out of 250. That one will go to Jacob Teasley. Jacob, welcome to the breaks. Have a numbered card. It's not a hit. I know that's what we're all chasing, but first card, good start for you. Next card is John Singleton, a rookie Astros, number 2 out of 99. That one will go to Christopher Henry. Numbered cards get the instant top loader. As per my rules. Well, they're in there tight. We're just going to get the hits going now. The first hit is A.J. Ellis for the Los Angeles Dodgers, number 18 out of 27. That one going to Jacob Teasley. So you do get your first hit. That's twice today we've had a first-time breaker with me get a hit. Not quite sure the baseball, but or the player, but I also don't cover baseball like crazy. This one is who is this guy? Taylor Jordan for the Washington Nationals. Pretty card, number 62? 62 out of 75. RPA will go to Mark Serlin. Good looking card. I bet you're wishing that was a Strasburg. I couldn't say that. Or a Bryce Harper. Cal Ripken Jr. for the Orioles. There's the next one. Base card going to Wesley Young. Next one, Steven Strasburg. Speak of the devil. For the Nationals, we'll go to Mark Serlin. And last card out of the first mini box, Carlos Gonzalez for the Colorado Rockies. We'll go to Jacob Teasley. 3 of the first 7 cards. Nice box for you. That's mini box 1. Let's get ripping on mini box 2. "25 years older than you, Ryan? I didn't realize you were that young." Yeah, Chris, that's fine. There's no rush because, I mean, I can't check your payment anyway. Wesley, cool. Welcome to the break, man. That's fun. First break. Let's see if we can get you something more here. I don't want to root against anybody else, though. And Ken, you say I got a glare. Let's see, I just have short hair. I keep it short. That's a little bit of glare. What are you shaking your head at me for, wife? No, I probably started collecting those helmets before I was even 10. That's why I say 25 years ago. First card coming out, Jose Bautista. This one, number 143 out of 325 for the Blue Jays, will go to Margaret Donardes. Oh, for 14, Christopher, we gotta get you fixed. Need to do a break with about 60 hits. So that, I didn't switch cameras. Sorry about that. Jose Bautista, Blue Jays. Jose Fernandez, rest in peace. Number 7 out of 125 for the Marlins. Going to Jacob Teasley. Alright, I'm going to flip. That's a cool name on the bottom. Alan Craig for the Cardinals. We'll go to Jason Mears. For the Rangers, Yu Darvish. Jenny Ken said she sent you another pretty Salvi card.
Oh, yeah? Thank you.
Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Nationals, 3 cards in here. Now I'm going to Mark Serlin. Bump my camera or something. And this one's pretty good too. Dustin Pedroia patch autograph number 11 out of 75 for the Boston Red Sox. Let me make sure. Yeah. I get him and Jacoby Ellsbury mixed up. Hit of the break goes to Ryan Cordova. Ryan, I don't believe you've broken with me before. Welcome to the breaks. Nice card. Very nice. And I saw this one coming too. Big welcome to the breaks. 2 big cards. Roberto Clemente for the Pirates, number 13 out of 36, first Latino bat relic. That's pretty sweet. That one also going to Ryan Cordova. Nice card there. I'm out of these top loaders. Man, I need to order some more of these size quick. Now the 6 packs. Might not last me a week. Alright guys, that was 2014 Triple Threads. Couple pretty good cards. Let's rewind through the hits real quick. That Roberto Clemente was our last one. Had some decent luck with 2014. That one, not a bad box. Dustin Pedroia patch autograph for the Red Sox. Nationals, Taylor Jordan. And for the Dodgers, A.J. Ellis. Alright guys, I was saying earlier, breaks on the hour, every hour. Nationals, and yeah, if you want any more, just keep your eyes out and find the schedule. Either way you like it. And get your cards into your stacks over here, ready for you whenever you want them. All you gotta do is let me know. So you guys have a good night. Or I'll see you soon, one or the other. New cards for some people. Miami Marlins. Jacob Teasley. Blue Jays. Margaret. Astros. Christopher Henry. Dodgers, new. Dodgers. Red Sox, and the next spots for you guys. All right, you guys, take care.